Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa gara waka subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nashi Mure Zimbabwe takigira nyaya kupisa nyaya kunetsa. Nyaya ya Bona Mugabe na Simba Chikore. Bona Mugabe yakunzi awina case court yakuti waone kuwe vachidivorce. Zvakare arikunzi awina panyaya yekuti this marriage yake na Simba Chikore hanzi it was now and void kubva payakatanga hanzi nekuda kwekuti Simba Chikore ane munhu wanga ari legally married to yanonzi Margaret Brooks weku-United States paakarorana naBona. So zviri kunzi marriage yake naBona hanzi it was now and void from the start. Zvakonzeresa kuti pawanikwe pachitika bongozozo zvokunzi Simba Chikore anogona kubuda asina chinhu. Ndofunga pari maproperties anga achinetsa anga achirwirana chinzwa kama akwaya vari vese, but now nekuda kwekuwinwa kwaitwa nyaya naBona zvokunzi Simba Chikore anogona kubuda marriage iyi asina kana chinhu. Azinomira mushe Mure Zimbabwe nyaya iyi yakaburitswa neBulawayo 24 vachitaura ivo vachiti Bona Mugabe, daughter of the late President Robert Mugabe, secured a significant legal victory last week as Justice Amy Tsanga of the High Court dismissed an exemption raised by her estranged husband Simba Chikore. The ruling allows Bona to proceed with her annulment and divorce applications concurrently, a matter that had been fiercely contested since 2023. Represented by lawyer Addington Chinake, Bona had amended her original divorce summons to include a claim for annulment, a legal declaration that the marriage was now and void from the start. This move was prompted by revelations that Chikore was still legally married to Margaret Janine Brooks in the United States when he married Bona on March 1, 2014. Chikore's lawyer, Rogers Matsikidze, opposed the amendment, arguing that Bona could not seek annulment and divorce in the same case, as the two claims are mutually exclusive under the Matrimonial Cases Act. He contended that the dual claims created uncertainty about the nature of the legal action, insisting that Bona should have withdrawn her original summons and filed a separate annulment suit. In response, Chinake argued that the court had granted consent to amend the summons, which Chikore had accepted, and that this consent order should be final and binding. He stressed that binding annulment, the marriage was legally valid on paper, and accused Chikore of deliberately delaying proceedings to avoid addressing allegations of bigamy. Justice Tsanga's ruling acknowledged the procedural objections but emphasized that the amended summons was permissible. She noted that a marriage entered into while one party is already married is legally void, supporting Bona's primary claim for annulment. The judge further explained that it was justifiable to hear the annulment claim first, and if it failed, to proceed with the divorce application on grounds of irretrievable breakdown of the marriage. While it is generally not the norm to have two cases of action in divorce summons, the ends of justice would be better served by allowing the two actions to be plead in the alternative, she stated. With the exception dismissed, Chikore was ordered to file his plea to the amended summons within 5 business days. Courts were reserved to follow the outcome of the case. The ruling marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal battle between Bona Mugabe and Chikore as he seeks to formally end their marriage, which has been mired in controversy due to questions over its legal validity. Ndo mabuditsiro akaitwa nyaya Mure Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei. Ndofunga nyaya yakambonetsa yemaproperties Bona and Simba vari kuirana maproperties Mure Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa neZimbabwe Mail vachitaura vachiti while the late former President Robert Mugabe's daughter Bona and her estranged husband Simba Chikore are still locked in divorce proceedings and intense negotiations on property sharing, the controversial pilot has sold under the cattle belonging to the couple, prompting contemplation of a police case against him. This has set the stage for a dramatic and messy divorce, which Bona is desperate to avoid to protect her name and family reputation. Chikore's name is already marred in a series of controversial issues, including the Zimbabwe Airways scandal and the attempt to build a 39 million mansion at the foot of a mountain next to venue Umwinzi in Umwinsdale. The house is accessible through Curry Craig Road, Umwinsdale Road, and Luna Road, which converge along the way from opposite direction. However, the flight for the estate is likely to be fiercely contested, as it involves a sentimental house at number 40 Quen Avenue in Mount Pleasant, Harare, where Mugabe first stayed when he became Prime Minister in 1980. Chikore is demanding his pound of flesh. One of the properties likely to trigger noise between Bona and Simba is the historic Mount Pleasant house donated to them during their wedding. But after Mugabe gifted them the Mount Pleasant house, the couple asked him to build them a house of their choice and dreams. As the divorce negotiations intensify, it has now emerged Bona offered Chikore a house in Shawasha, motor vehicles, cattle, and other significant assets as part of the divorce settlement. However, Chikore promptly rejected the offer, demanding instead to be given more properties, including in Harare's upmarket Umwinsdale, which Bona is holding on to, the ground that were donated to her through her late father's estate. An investigation by the Newswalks in 2021 into the property development showed that the construction of the 25-room house is estimated to cost at least 20 million. It was originally expected to cost 39 million. The imposing mansion sits on a 22-hectare tract of land that cascades down the mountain right to its foot in the Umwinsdale River Valley in Umwinsdale. To put it into perspective, the house is built on land that is bigger than Harare Gardens, which sits on 21 hectares. The house's plinth, a built-up area, measures at the floor level of the story or at the basement is about 7.8 thousand square meters. The multi-story house has a basement which is 1,200 square meters, ground floor 300 square meters, first floor 300 square meters, and a sun deck which is 600 square meters. In the basement are 9 rooms, including an apartment, while the ground floor has 8 rooms and the first floor has another 8 rooms. When all these additional features are factored in, the house will cost well over 20 million according to conservative estimates. The initial planned cost was 39 million before. Mugabe's death gave Simba and Bona a financial reality check. At the moment, the total cost of the house is expected to be at least 20 million. This is because the owner of the properties are struggling to finish the house, which at the beginning was supposed to cost 39 million, said a source at the Mugabe's Blue Roof family home in Borodeo, Harare. The late former president was financing the project. Mugabe said he would fund the Umwinsdale project. He paid for everything before he died. Simba and Bona are now struggling to complete it. It is a huge project. They need millions of US dollars to complete it. The source said if Mugabe was still alive, the cost would escalate to around 39 million. Considering the price of the vast tracts of land, construction expenses, design charges, finishings, and landscaping, which he would have been prepared to finance, the price would have been much higher if they still had money, because in an elevated mountain area like that, it could have cost 5,000 US a square meter to build, but that has been contained at 2,500 per square meter, another source said. While Bona has offered Chikore some properties, his separated husband is demanding to be given more properties, which he is flatly refusing to do. This is contrary to Bona's wish to quickly finalize the divorce and settle all outstanding issues without drama. Ndo mabuditsiro akati kwa nyaya muri Zimbabwe tikaziva kuti munoona sei tudziyo zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.